Hey there! Ever wonder how artificial intelligence and robotics are quietly shaping the world around you? Let's take a friendly stroll into the future, one that's already unfolding. From robotic chefs and smart kitchens to self-driving cars that learn from every journey, AI and robots are teaming up to make life smoother, faster, and smarter. AI isn't just for tech wizards. It's helping teachers personalize education, giving each student exactly what they need when they need it. In healthcare, robots are lending a gentle hand, literally caring for the elderly, delivering meds, and monitoring vitals 24/7. And guess what? They never take a sick day. Behind the scenes, AI helps factories and warehouses run like clockwork. It doesn't just reduce errors, it helps people focus on the creative human stuff. And in our homes, voice assistants, smart fridges, even AI-powered vacuums, they're all part of this new robotic family. The future of AI and robotics isn't about replacing humans. It's about empowering us, helping us live better, safer, and more connected lives. So the next time you say, "Wow, that's smart," chances are AI and robotics had a little something to do with it.